Hi, everyone. A very good morning to all of you, and a very good morning to all our viewers. Welcome to this all new session called Right to Home by PropTiger.com. My name is Virat, and I'm going to be your host for the session. And today we are joined by our esteemed panelists from MAPSCO Group, Mr. Manav Gopal, who is the president. Welcome, Manav.
Thank you.
And we have Mr. Deepak Dureja, who has joined us from PropTiger.com, India's largest online real estate advisory firm. Welcome, Deepak.
Thank you, Virat. Hi, Manav. Thank you.
Hi Deepak. Hi, Virat.
I would like to tell our viewers that this session is about a project called MAPSCO Mountville, which is coming up in Sector 79, Gurgaon, which is already there. A lot of units have already moved. And today we have Mr. Manav Gopal, MAPSCO Vice President, who would be talking us through the whole project in detail. And then let me tell you, this event is about, helping prospective buyers meet all the A and A plus category developers where they can know about the project. And we, with the help of this session, help them decide on the most suitable option as per their requirements. So today let's get to know Mapsco Mountville in more detail. To start with, Manav, why don't you tell us a little bit about Mapsco as a developer, as a brand? What is Mapsco all about?
Hi, everybody. This is Manav Gopal, President of MAPSCO Group. MAPSCO, as you know, there are six initials of six real brothers. MAPSKO, they define the first letter of the names they are associated with in descending order, starting from eldest to the youngest. So it's a 5-decade-old company where the group started with liquor business in Haryana and Punjab, and then slowly moved into different dimensions of business. We have toll business, we have mining operations, we have shoe industry, we are into car dealerships, and also the real estate, which was started somewhere over 2 decades back by the name of Krishna Apra as a joint venture partner. In Noida, Greater Noida, Delhi, we delivered quite a few projects. And then after that, it was just because the group was predominantly from Haryana, it was prudent that the group will definitely come back to Haryana as their own name by the name Mapsco. And then we took up one township in Sonipat, which was 157 acres, where we delivered a lot of plotting floors, SEOs, the markets, everything was delivered. And then we have 4 projects in Gurgaon. All 4 of them are delivered now. 3 of them on the right hand side of the highway if you're going towards Jaipur from Gurgaon by the name Mapsco Casa Villa, Mapsco Royalville, Mapsco Paradise, and now we have Mapsco Mountville, which we have received OC in the month of June last year. And today we are doing a wonderful business in selling those apartments. And thank you, PropTiger, for helping us out in selling those apartments so effectively and so dynamically. And we are doing pretty good. It's on left-hand side of the highway, Sector 79, Gurgaon, Mapsco Mountville.
Thank you so much, Manav, for giving us an insight about the brand. We will get to know about the project in detail in a while. Deepak, why don't you tell us about PropTiger.com, India's largest online real estate advisory firm?
Hello, all viewers. Thank you so much for joining in today. Well, PropTiger is one name in real estate, which started with a revolution of digital. Okay, so this is the first prop tech of India probably, which started in 2011, and first company in Indian real estate to start raising funds from names like SoftBank, from Excel Partners, from Real Estate Australia, News Corp. So and taking on the journey from there, today we are a group company wherein we consist of housing.com, makaan.com, and also we have got more than 25,000 satisfied home buyers. So our team has assisted to more than 25,000 home buyers. We have sold properties of all top developers across the country, and we are probably the best available in the industry today to give customer service, the right customer service, and the best deals to our investors. Today I'm delighted to share that we are officially Real Estate Australia. So Real Estate Australia has increased their share in the company, and today we are officially as Real Estate Australia. So we are all set to grow even more out in the market, going very aggressive with our campaigns and our presence. and we look forward to serve you to the very best.
Great. Thank you so much, Deepak.
Kudos.
Thank you, Rajesh.
So let's get to understand the project in a little bit of detail. Manav, do you have something to show to our viewers where they get an overview of the project first, and then we can move ahead with more questions around the Gurgaon market and more details about the project.
I think Puneet has got a slide. Otherwise, I'll just see. It's a resort. It's a resort.
Absolutely. I was about to say that it looks like a wonderfully built and beautifully designed project, especially that swimming pool area actually gave me the feel of a resort.
Top
So
class.
why don't you tell our audience a few USPs of this particular project before we get to know more?
Well, actually, when we conceived this project, actually, right from the beginning, since it was south of Gurgaon, there were a lot of good developers around. So we thought it was prudent, it was important to come out with a product which can create a legacy for Mapsco Group. Plus, it would be a landmark project in that area. So right from the beginning, we had that kind of idea. So we associated all big names with the project. The architect was Hafiz Contractor. Then the construction was raised by Shapoorji Pallonji, which is a huge name by itself. And the landscaping was done by LSG INC USA, which is #1 company in the world for landscaping. It's a USA based company. And here are the results, actually, you can see. And more so, there are more than 2 lakhs, hold your breath, more than 2 lakhs trees or shrubs within the complex of 16.5 acres. 2,100 trees are already planted and we are going to plant more, 2 lakhs total. So basically what is there is no ground floor. So you have 90%, 95% open area. Only the lift lobbies of the towers and the club is on the ground floor. Otherwise it's all open area. That is one thing about the product. Second thing is obviously the big names which are associated. Third thing is it's fully loaded apartment which we are giving.
Mhm.
When I'm saying fully loaded, we are talking about AC from Daikin, wooden flooring from Action Tessa, imported marble and drawing dining, then kitchen and wardrobes which we are going from top brand Spaceboard or Asia or equivalent. So everything big associated with the product is there. So if you're talking about the compound itself, you have everything huge, everything fantastically done inside the product. Second thing is we have a beautiful loading area, 1490 square feet, 1490, which is close to 1500 square feet. What we are giving you is 3 bedrooms, 3 washrooms, drawing dining, and 3 balconies, which is opening from 4 areas. So only 1 bedroom doesn't have a balcony. It has a life size window. Otherwise, every other area, including the kitchen, has access to the balcony. So what I'm talking about is it's all airy. It is nicely ventilated, very nicely illuminated, all big names associated, fully loaded apartment with top class amenities. You see it is double height entrance lobby. You go to the lobby, you will feel as if you have come to a 5-star hotel. Plus the amenities. Amenities are all top class. You name the thing and it is there in the compound. Uh, Generally, I mean, recently COVID scenario, we all know, people have struggled with the work from home scenario where you have a small child crying somewhere behind and you don't know how to talk to your boss. So what we have done is we have created workstations and conference rooms with video conferencing facility within the club area. Plus, we have come out with a brilliant idea. It was all my promoter's idea to come out with all these guest rooms. We have four of them, 4 guest rooms, where you can hire those guest rooms, and if you have guests. So basically, what you can do is you can buy only that much space, which is your daily requirement. If you have guests coming in, you can always go for the guest room. You can hire those guest rooms, and your guests can be there. We have a huge banquet hall. You can do any type of function inside the banquet hall. Swimming pool, you have seen any type of other facilities. Perhaps you will have a Virat Kohli coming out tomorrow from this area. You have 2 cricket pitches. You have tennis, tennis court. Next, Sania Mirza is going to be from Mapsco Mountwell. So, and a fruit forest. It's a huge fruit forest. Crèche for crèche and daycare for the kids, saloon, bakery, provision for bar and restaurant. So, I mean, what else do you need? Work from home, I have already told you. The leisure activities, I have already told you. So all top class amenities inside, top class interiors of your home, top class construction, designing, landscaping, absolutely fantastic. Now, if you come outside the compound, what you are bothered about is whether you have hospitals nearby. Yes, you have so many of them within the radius of 3 to 5 kilometers. Do you have schools there? You have top class schools nearby. How is the connectivity? The connectivity is fantastic. You are just 2 kilometers from NH8, just off Southern Periphery Road, which we call Golf Course Extension. You are just off Northern Periphery Road, which we call Dwarka Expressway. Then there is a road which is coming from behind, which is going to take you directly to Delhi. It's going to be, I think, 38 kilometers patch with only flyovers, no red light, opening up at Bhikaji Kama Place. So what are we talking about? We are talking about a scenario where you have a property all done up beautifully. The exteriors, all hospitals, schools, or shopping centers. There are so many shopping centers which are running right now with multiplex, and we have a theater also. And I can tell you one thing: you go to my theater, you have never visited such type of theater anywhere in India. Mind it, anywhere in India. So this is what about the whole thing about the product is. Mapsco Mountwell, it's a state-of-the-art product, and yet very competitively priced. Recently, we were running a campaign, 100 mein 200. It was basically 200 apartments sold in 100 days. Basically, it was 87 days that we had sold 200 apartments, but 87 में 200 सुनने में अच्छा नहीं लगता. So that is why we had kept the campaign as 100, 100 में 200. And Prop Tiger, thanks to you guys, you have done wonderfully well with us, and the way you have supported us, I don't have words to thank you on this platform. Beautifully done, and the market has been very supportive. Thank you.
Thanks, Manav. The way you spoke about the project, I do agree that, I was just seeing that video. It's not just a beautifully done project, but each unit itself is very efficiently designed with, balconies in almost all the rooms. I'll come to you, Deepak. With balconies in all the rooms makes it a very well ventilated and, well lit house, I would say. Coming to you, Deepak. Now, the location has already been explained by Manav really well. People understand where this project is located. A question to you would be, what are some trends that you've noticed post-COVID in the real estate market, specifically if we consider Gurgaon as an area?
I tell you, Virat, I was attending one of the webinars even yesterday, okay? And this point was raised, and so I think I would repeat my statement here that COVID has probably done wonders. Okay. On the positive side, let's talk about the positive side. COVID has probably changed the mindset. Okay. It has changed the mindset of a buyer. First of all, the buyer's mindset has been changed in the sense a buyer has understood the value of having its own home. Okay. So people have realized that it is very, very, very important in life, as important as eating or wearing clothes. It is important to have home. So it's like roti, kapda, or makan. So it's very important. So those guys who can afford it but still were delaying and still staying on rent, okay, so they have realized that it's important to have their own home. So I think that has contributed a lot. In 100 दिन में 200 घर वाला सपना. So this is all because buyer has come out. Okay. So this is awareness of buyer. Then I think the mindset of developer has changed here. The developer mindset is very simple. It used to be कि okay मैं तो एक project बना रहा हूँ और मैंने एक project बेच देना है. उस project में एक club होना चाहिए, अच्छा सा swimming pool होना चाहिए, garden होना चाहिए, that's it. और एक basic घर बढ़िया. But I think यहाँ पर मानव ने जैसे कि बताया कि इनकी management का thought था कि co-working को add कर दिया club में. It was never there. So the thought process has changed. Okay, so COVID has added the innovation here. So developers have to think about what else can be given. Club to sab de rahe hain, sab kuch hai. So what else to be given? So they have come up with a unique idea of co-working spaces within the project, within the club. Okay, so walk to work culture ho gaya. Okay, so you can walk to work, walk from your home, go to the club. Use the co-working spaces being specially designed by Mapsco Group, and you can have your business running there itself. Okay, so this is another innovation which COVID has done. Otherwise, सोच भी नहीं रहे थे हम इस दिशा में. As a channel partner, as a broking firm, what innovation have we done here? So we were forced, okay, by the COVID situation to go completely digital. Okay, so we have also come up with unique ideas of site visits by drone. Drone से हमने live site visits की हैं. Manav and Virat, very interesting it is. बहुत सारे हमने webinars किए. Customer site visits online होने लगी. So lot of innovation. I think it's all positive. So yes. Probably we have covered the gap of 10 years in this 1 year. This is what I think.
To support all what you've said, I keep hearing that banks have dropped their home loan rates to all-time.
Bank interest rates are at ever low. Yes.
SBI and Kotak had dropped yesterday 10 basic points.
Yeah, wow.
Great. So the market looks quite positive. There are a lot of innovations happening at the developers end, and then yes, as channel partners who are helping customers buy the right home, even you are going digital, and yes, the government is also supporting home buyers to quickly get their dream home by keeping the home loan rates at the all-time low. Why don't we get to see some more details about the project, Manav? If you could show our viewers in detail what the project looks like.
I'll see. Puneet, do you have those pictures? Yes.
So we already know about the project. Manav spoke really well and then at length, and he almost covered all the things. But let's show our viewers about minuter details of the project quickly.
These are real pictures. This is a real site plan. We can move faster, Puneet, and I can explain in between.
Sure.
This is taken from the south angle. So you see all the apartments. You will find sunlight coming in. So I mean, this is something which is like you feel good about all these things. True. These are the actual pictures taken from different angles. You see, I mean, behind the back you can see Aravalli Hills. So it's on the foothill of nature, and the pollution here is quite less. That is beautiful advantage out here. Incidentally, last year when Diwali time was there, I was checking all this AQI index actually at different area, and I found sector 79 was very, very less. So that is a beautiful advantage in that area. Just because you're on the foothills of Aravallis, the density in that area is very low. So what you have is very less apartments coming out in that area compared to other areas in Gurgaon. Imagine, I mean, look at the view. This football ground, which you can see, football play area, the green, the big green. And behind that is a skating rink. Now, this is a resort. This is a resort. Imagine, I mean, sitting out there, relaxing just next to the swimming pool, perhaps having a mocktail or even a glass of beer. I mean, it's fantastic. Look at that. This is open gymnasium. The previous one was the open gymnasium, obviously basketball court here. This is Pergola actually. You have all medicated park around. So particularly for senior citizens, this area, we are going to put a sitting arrangement here. So for senior citizens, particularly this area is going to be like, paradise because they are interested in medicated park all around type of scenario. This is club outlet. You can see all these chairs and sofas which are put there. You just have, I mean, just relax and enjoy yourself. Gymnasium, obviously. Inside of the gym. Yes. This is going to be the bakery area. You have all the sitting arrangement. You can just relax and feel beautiful about the whole thing. This is the theater I was talking about. Deepak, I bet if you have seen this kind of theater anytime in the past, and this is a 10-seater theater, 10 seats. You can hire this theater for just 500 rupees for a show.
Wow. With IPL approaching, this becomes even more.
Absolutely.
I think to the viewers, I would like to say here something. See, you have to visit. Okay, you have to see it to believe it. Okay, so I think you should visit the site. You should really contact our relationship manager, and you should visit the site and see it to believe all these things, and they are real.
Right.
They're actual.
Puneet, if you can just come back two slides back, I just want to show something. Now, this is the actual picture of your lounge, the lobby lounge on the ground floor, just below the tower. I mean, it's a 5-star hotel type of ambience. It's a double height structure.
Lobby, you were saying?
Yeah, it's well lit.
Entrance lobby.
Entrance lobby, and it's all fully air conditioned. I mean, imagine. I mean, this is what you find in 5-star hotels. This is actual. Thank you, Puneet. We can move forward. Now, this is a sample apartment of 14903 BHK. You can see this is imported marble, which is put in drawing dining. 1490 square feet apartment, sample apartment. This is the drawing room side, which we have taken. Drawing and dining. This is a bigger apartment picture, sample apartment. 2650. Now, this is again a small apartment, 1490 bedroom, one of the bedrooms. See this. Yes. These are all sample apartment pictures taken directly from there. This is the wardrobe which we are giving. This kitchen, which you can see with hob and chimney, is what we are giving as the standard accessory to the people. Hob and Chimney's Faber company, which you can see, and the kitchen is by Spacewood. So this is what exactly what we are giving to the viewer, to the people who are consumers. Now, this is terrace apartment, which is 1620 square feet of area. It's a huge terrace, party terrace. You can have at least 30 people out there without any problem. If you have a small party of 35 people, you can always enjoy within your own apartment.
Great, great, great. It was a pleasure indeed, getting to know more about the project. I'm sure our viewers also got great insight about so many things that this project has to offer, which obviously makes it, the most sought after project in Sector 79, Gurgaon. Coming to you, Deepak, for any, you are from a company that has, helped 25,000 plus customers to get their dream home. What would be your final piece of advice for them and any closing remarks that you have for this ride to home session that we are doing about Mapsco Mountville?
As Virat, I have just added in between while Manav was speaking about the project that we should visit. This is my very important remark. We should visit, see it to believe it. Okay, I mean,
and to fall in love with it.
And you will, and it will help you deciding faster. This is what I can say. The right thing and faster. And at the same time, if you do not want to visit physically, so we have all the facilities available to visit the site virtually also. So we'll assist you in all possible manners. This is the right time. Prices are its level best. Home loan rates are at its level best. So this is just an opportunity. Grab it, before things started moving, in upward direction, because we stand a chance now. A lot of inventory has been sold across, just not in Mapsco, but everywhere. So a lot of home buyers have bought their properties this time. As I said, people have come out to buy things now. So they have understood the importance. So this is the time before home loan rates come back to higher 1-2%. I think this is the time. We should just go for it. This is what my final advice would be.
Great. Any last few closing remarks that you would like to make, Manav? Yeah. Please.
Well, actually, first of all, I mean, Deepak has covered everything so beautifully. Thanks, Deepak. I'll plead the people to please visit the site. I have had, in the last 5 months, I have had over 5,000 visits. 5,000 visits at the site. I have yet to find one single person not liking the place, not liking the site, or not liking the apartment. One single person out of 5,000 odd people. So this is what the reception about the whole project in the people's mind is. Second thing which I want to say is, already the markets are seeing upward trend as far as the pricing is concerned. Because what happens is, I mean, something which the viewers will have to understand is, everything is related with supply and demand. Today, what is happening is, post-COVID, market has already seen beautiful days, which nobody was expecting. Now, 100 Mein 200 campaign, which we are running, is a testimony to the fact that people have been receptive to whatever we are selling in the market.
Absolutely.
So what happens is, and it is not only us, the markets are seeing upward trend. So what happens is, when inventory starts moving, it is absolutely imperative that the prices also will start moving up. So grab it today before the prices actually start shooting up. My advice is, do it ASAP and get your own dream home with the lowest interest rates, which Deepak also was saying, and Virat also was endorsing the fact, and I also have the same opinion. So do it today before it is late. And thank you very much.
Thanks. Thank you, Manav, for giving us your time, and thank you, Deepak, for joining us today for this session.
Thank you, Virat.
I would like to thank all the viewers who are watching us, and stay tuned for more and more knowledge around projects in Gurgaon. And I'm sure we'll be able to help you buy your dream home. Just to inform you, we are just a click away. You will find numbers on the screen getting displayed in a while. And please connect with us and get to your dream home as soon as possible. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day ahead.
Jai Hind.